What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you remember this step-by-step leaf propagation playlist that I had set up, we have reached to the last part of the video, which is going to be an update video. I'm sure a lot of you had questions what happened to those leaf propagations that I had transferred to their individual pots. I had shown you transferring only one of the pup into an individual pot. I later happened to transfer all of them into individual pots, and here as you can see, this was the entire process. Again, if you haven't watched the playlist, I'll put the link in the description below. You can check the entire playlist to understand how things work with leaf propagation. Now of course, in this playlist the last video was uploaded a year back, so today I'm going to show you how the leaf propagation pups are doing after almost a year. So this is how they look after almost a year. This one was the first one that you might have seen in the video when I was transferring the pup into its individual pot, and I transferred all of those pups in single pots. I did it after some days, and you can see the growth rate after a year. So this is why I say leaf propagations can take a very long time. These are not even medium size. They will take another 2 years maybe for them to reach a medium size. They are still quite small. Now they are being kept in indirect bright light mostly, but they also receive probably an hour or 2 hours of morning direct sunlight, but I'm not keeping them in an extended period of direct sunlight, otherwise they can get burned because they're still very young. But overall I'm quite happy that the propagation was successful, and today we have reached to this stage wherein I think they must be probably a couple of centimeters, maybe 5 or 6 centimeters, but they're doing quite well. I had watered them probably 3 or 4 days back. The upper layer of soil is dry, but I think it's still moist beneath, so I'm not going to be watering it. I have been doing a combination of bottom watering and top watering. It has been working out really well. No fertilizers added since day one, and that's about it. They have been doing quite well. Luckily, only during the leaf propagation process there were some mealybugs, but after that I haven't encountered any mealybugs on them. Very happy. Probably during leaf propagation the mealybugs do come in because I tend to use coco peat and garden soil, so probably because of the coco peat, I'm not very sure. But once they reach a 4 to 5 centimeters, and when I put them into the adult soil mix, which is 80% of aquarium sand and 20% of filtered garden soil, that's what all of them are potted in. After that I haven't seen any issues with mealybugs, thank God. So that's about it guys. I hope that you like this update video. This will be added in the playlist so that the playlist is completed, and of course maybe after 2 or 3 years I will put another update video, because until then they are going to look like this for a really long time. So that's about it. I hope that you like this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.